Welcome to Interjection Wordsmith 1. Interjection are a word that shows strong feeling, like wow. Let's go through the words. Proface. Much good may it do you, a familiar salutation or welcome. Good then. A form of salutation. Ahem. An exclamation to call one's attention. Ahem. Hullo. To call out or exclaim. To halloo. This form is now mostly replaced by hello. Merry. Indeed, in truth, the term of asseveration said to have been derived from the practice of swearing by the Virgin Mary. Holla. To call out or exclaim. To halloo. This form is now mostly replaced by hello. Pooh. Pshaw, pish, nonsense, an expression of scorn, dislike, or contempt. Salve. Hail. Ahem. A kind of strong drink formerly used. Lack. Exclamation of regret or surprise. Enough. An exclamation denoting sufficiency, being a shortened form of it is enough. Ahey. Hey, ho. Egad. An exclamation expressing exultation or surprise, etc. Oyez. Here, attend, a term used by criers of courts to secure silence before making a proclamation. It is repeated 3 times. Prithee. A corruption of prithee, as I prithee, generally used without I. Fee. An exclamation denoting contempt or dislike, a word which expresses blame, dislike, disapprobation, abhorrence, or contempt. An exclamation denoting contempt or dislike, a word which expresses blame, dislike, disapprobation, abhorrence, or contempt. An exclamation denoting contempt or dislike, a word which expresses blame, dislike, disapprobation, abhorrence, or contempt. An exclamation denoting contempt or dislike, a word which expresses blame, dislike, disapprobation, abhorrence, or contempt. Sifi.
If you enjoyed this wordsmith on autonomy education, please like, dislike, or subscribe if you'd like to see more. I appreciate your feedback and read every comment as this is a spare time hobby. Please be aware that implementing changes may be a gradual process. Autonomy channel contains updates and works in progress on all channels. Autonomy core channel contains general statistics and background information. Happy YouTube travels!